Good morning, students here. How are we doing today? Let's adjust that a little bit. All right, today we're going over some comparing and ordering problems. We're going to follow the steps, even though none of you followed the steps when you were doing this, because you want to annoy Mr. McMurdo. He doesn't like to be annoyed, but, you know, c'est la vie. All right, our first problem we're going to go over. Let's try... I don't know. Let's do number 3. So look at number 3 on your little sheet that has the comparing and ordering decimals. You should have it on your desk. So we have 3 7/10 and 3 70/100. Step 1, Kayla, should be what?
Add magic zero.
Okay, that's not step 1. Ellen? Line them up. We are lining them up by the decimal point. Now, as Kayla said, we add our magic zero. And then we move from left to right, comparing our place values. What place values are the 3s in?
1.
1's place. Is there a difference in the 1's place?
No.
What place value are the 7's in?
10.
10th place. Are there any difference in the 10th place?
No.
What place value are the 0's in?
100.
Hundredths. Are there any differences in the hundredths place?
No.
No. We have no more place values. There were no differences. So they're equal. That's a horrible equal sign. So they are equal. So number 3 should be equal. 3 7/10 is equal to 3 70/100. Questions on that one? Please make sure you're following along and checking your work. I'm going to promise you there'll be some on there that are going to be more difficult than these, and you're going to miss them if you don't go through the steps that your lovely teacher showed you how to do, because he's lovely. All right, let's look at, I don't know. These are all easy, aren't they?
Yeah.
All right, so this is number 4. So find number 4 on your paper. Follow along with number 4. Landon, what is my first step when comparing and ordering decimals? Line them up. Thank you, Landon. Stack them on top of each other, lining up the decimal points, and each place value is lined up. 1s over 1s, 10ths over 10ths, hundredths over hundredths, thousandths over thousandths, 10s over 10s. Okay, let's see. Selene, what is my second step? After I line them up, I?
Add your magic zeros, but if you don't have any, you look at that one.
Good. I don't need to add a magic zero, because these both go out to the hundredths place. Remember, hundredths is 2 behind the decimal. These both go out to the hundredths place, so I don't need to add a magic zero here. I move to the left. The 4s are in the 1's place. These 4s are in the 10ths place. This 4 and this 0 is in the hundredths place. 4 is greater than 0. Therefore, this would be pronounced 4 and 40 hundredths is less than 4 and 44 hundredths.
Make a hard one up that we have to solve on our paper.
That's a good idea, Fred. I'm going to make a hard one up that you have to solve on your paper.
Really, Fred? Okay, like
8, 7.6.
Yes.
So solve this on your paper. Show the work. You can do it on the back of that little small sheet. Show the work where you stack it, you add any magic zeros, and then you compare from left to right. For those of you watching at home or giving some time to do this. Oscar, you done? You stacked them, put in magic zeros and compared them?
Yeah.
Let me answer that question for you. Oscar, you haven't. Do it now.
What is the last three numbers?
099. All right, Evan, what is my first step? To stack them up. Fred, go back and sit at the desk back there.
No, I didn't do anything.
I didn't ask if you did anything. You just do what I say or you're going to go.
No, I moved it.
Just do what I say or you're going to go.
Go where?
Evan, what is my... I didn't stack them yet. Evan, what is my second step? Add magic zeros. Evan, what is my third step? Look, the ones are in what place? Hundreds. The eights are in what place? Tens. The sevens are in what place? Ones. The 6 and the 0 are in what place? Tenths. That's my first place I have a difference. The one with the 9, or the one with the 6 in the 10th place is greater. Sorry, wrong. So 187 and 6/10 is greater than 187 and 99 thousandths. Questions? All right, boom shakalaka. Love y'all.